Good afternoon internet, it is 4 p.m. right now and I'm shooting this video using the front camera of my cell phone. I know you all might be surprised watching a vlog on the channel for the first time, right? Trust me, even I'm surprised posting it because this is my first time shooting a vlog and talking to a camera, which is really weird, but I think it's cool. Because vlogging is really cool that you can shoot around and show what's going on, and this is the way that I wanted to make it back to the channel. I know you all were waiting for unboxing videos or Android weekly videos, or may not be waiting, is it? So let me know in the comments down below if you were waiting for those videos or not. So I actually wanted to make it back to the channel using those unboxing videos and all. I had so many planned videos as well, but I was really caught up on other things and was not able to make it back to the channel. But I thought when you guys showed so much love to me being subscribed to the channel even when there were no videos coming out, so I should do something for you guys in the new year, right? So that's why I wanted to make it back to the channel using this vlog stuff. And for that I got a really good reason to even purchase a cool camera, which is GoPro Hero 8 Black. And trust me, it's a really cool camera. So if some of you don't know what's this GoPro Hero 8 Black, so it's an action camera which is really portable and you can get it mounted on your helmet or you can vlog using it. So it's really cool camera and really portable, which is the best part of it. And so I purchased it for vlogging first of all, and maybe the secondary thing that I'm gonna do with it is mount on my helmet, so when I'm riding in the city or when I'm traveling somewhere on my bike, of course, so I can just vlog and show you guys what's going on around. So I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys will love the upcoming vlogs as well. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and just stay tuned because the unboxing thing is not dead yet. And the unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 8 Black is coming really soon. So stay tuned for that and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.